Hi guys, it's Mokuba here. In this video I will be showing you guys how to change your WordPress theme. Let's get into the video. So the first thing is that you simply need to log into your WordPress dashboard. Once you're there, you simply need to scroll down, after which you click on appearance. Okay guys, if you already bought your WordPress theme, you simply click on add new, after which you simply click on upload theme. You click here and you simply choose the folder where the theme belong. But if you want to change the theme using the WordPress free themes, you simply need to choose any of these themes here. Let's say we want to install this. We'll just click on install this one, after which you simply need to activate it. And if any theme you choose require for any additional plugins, it's going to let you know. You simply click on details. So you click on activate. So guys, we just successfully changed our WordPress theme. Let's refresh our page. So guys, that's it. That's the theme we're just changing, as you can see. From here now, you can now create your home page and any other page in your WordPress website. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to leave your comments in the comment section below. If you face any difficulty doing this, we love you all. See you in the next video. Peace out.